Money that I came out too ungrateful. I'm going to pick up come see him, but I'm too ungrateful bumper as I left up I'm sorry. I'm too ungrateful fuck God them brother. None of them know make one. I tell them, as they pass me, I say, I'm going to come see like your mother. Two, don't take your mother footstep. Worse, I want me I tell you little children, me not put it on pillar, but it's so I feel so shame to talk. I want dog that the woman brother. The woman respect nobody, the woman give thanks to no, the woman appreciate nobody do for him. You feel him now, he kill now. The woman appreciate nothing nobody else. That is not one somebody, nobody not decipher. Me put it on pillar with that girl and I tell you.
A true man, if I say you call me, I remember back then. You understand that she said, no man, Laura good somebody. Can you say, you understand? Boy, oh boy.
I'm say, no man, yeah man, I'm supposed to take my man, woman and think. Me so look like some bad thing man say about no sir.
Oh, let me get in speaker. I can't play all of it tonight. I'm not gonna let never stand in my way.
Hello.
Yeah, go right ahead. I'll get in between.
Let me say something, you know. Let me say something. First of all, let me address cartoon daughter. Little girl, let me address you first. You know, Sister Lorraine and Miss Rodney are two big women for you. Eh? The time you take and go call the big woman them phone to go and talk about them to stop calling them, tell your own mother say she can allow people. Yeah? Tell your own mother say she can leave people alone. Me gone about my business, Lorraine gone about her business, Miss Rodney gone about her business, and your own mama. Your mama was down the whole of Jonestown decide to come out. She don't know a thing about me. Yeah? And I go talk about say, me want me homeless. Little girl, when you are 16 and later and open your foot and I take money in your hole, I was in school educating myself. Me never start take man till me reach 18. You hear me tell you? So you see, when you ever call people, come tell people, really go sit down and have a talk with your dirty, orange mama and tell herself to stop come on social media, come create problem because nobody in trouble her. We're gone. She leave Lorraine platform. From she leave Lorraine platform, she has been nothing but a thorn in our side. And as much as we try to ignore the orange girl, your orange mama, yeah? Your dirty mama, as much as we try to ignore her, she come out and she want to come out, come behave like say we supposed to afraid her. We not afraid her. You understand me? So you see the time you have a waste as the daughter of the orange dirty girl from Antigua be here where you need to do. You need to sit down and have a talk with your orange mama and tell her she to love people because she's an ungrateful, wicked bitch. You understand me? That is what you need to do. And you can tell your orange mama say when she come out and I come go on like she want to threaten Miss Rodney because Miss Rodney black her nastiness. Your mama pay Rodney bill? Your mama can't even pay her blood clot rent. Eh? She come try to size up with the woman who help her and come on social media come talk about how the woman block her or like the woman supposed to afraid of her. Tell your blood clot dirty mama, your warring dirty mama say she can allow people. She come out and she said the most about Lorraine grandchild. Where were you to tell her that is not right? You come call people phone because your dirty mama tell you what happened. She never tell you what she do while we come out. Eh? The whole undereducated, underprivileged, dirty, tough drunk, where you call a mother. We put you out to catch man. She never tell you where she come out come do while we talk. Tell your dirty orange mama say if she know what we talk about you. She can love people. Because when she ever try come step to me, and I come talk about homeless Michelle, me make her know say at the age of 16, me the only child with high school I take my education, while you and daughter open up your foot and I take gunman in your hole. So if you know I want nobody come on social media, come talk your business, tell your dirty mama to go on her ways and love people. That is what you need to do. Now call people phone and I come ray and I come send text. Like you want to come size up with big people. You're out of order. You're bright. You're rude. But me not expect better from you because your dirty mama not teach you home training. Because your dirty mama did teach you home training. You want to take up your phone and call Miss Lorraine or Miss Rodney. You would ask your mother, why are these people calling my name? Or why are these people talking about me? Because I don't know your name and I don't want to know your name. Because the first picture me see with you, I know say you take man long time. So I don't want to know your name. Tell your dirty mama to stop worrying about my womb and worry about your front. Because it shows a mother and worrying about your front. You want to breed pan at the age where you breed. That is why you need to talk to your dirty mama. Your dirty worrying mama. She you to talk to. This New Year's Eve, when everybody get ready to go in at the New Year, you little don't know old mama will fly the same frock what she have and where she has scale fish. This blessed New Year's Eve Sunday, if she put on with her dirty front, you know much fly underneath her, around sour fly and ginger fly underneath her dirty wall. She come out enough to come style up people. Tell your blood clot mama to stop watch me blood clot womb. Me not live in nobody yard. Me not beg nobody nothing. Cash me use and buy this in the United States of America. Me own cash and me never overfeed. Nobody can come take me out of this. Me not own a mortgage. I'm not there with nobody, man. So tell your blood clot mama to allow people and go on our blood clot ways. That's shit we gonna do. I'm gonna figure out how to pay our rent.
Hold on 1 minute. That mama says she on duty. Go on fast.
Hi, good morning everybody. Happy New Year wherever you are, yeah? I hope you guys have a better life and all your wishes come true 2024. I just want to say to you guys, yeah? Lauren, play that voice from this guy, and I'm begging you guys, please don't tear him down in the comment section.
Oh
right?
no!
To my knowledge, that's not
that's why I never want to read. No, don't bash him.
Please.
Thank you to call me attention to it. Don't do it.
No, don't bash him.
No.
Don't bash him.
Lauren. You know I'm a very busy somebody and I'm on duty right now, but I listening you in my epochs and I just need to say this. Don't tear the man apart in the comment section. Please, I beg. Happy New Year, everybody. Love you, Bob, Michelle, Lauren, everybody. Yeah?
Alright, be safe on duty.
Guys,
alright?
Don't
do it.
because you know why
Thank
the man
you very much for calling me attention. Yeah.
You know why the man called Lorraine? When the man see what Lorraine do, him is a man. And him see what Lorraine do for the dirty worrying girl. And when him hear all the dirty worrying girl tear Lorraine apart, if you listen to the first part of it, he said him a man, him not really getting a woman business. But when him hear all the drunk deal with Lorraine, he had to say something. And Lorraine never want to come out here complain voice. This is the last thing Lorraine need to do, wanted to do. But this dirty girl left her no choice.